So hello friends, welcome back to this new video. So in this video I'm going to tell you about how to draw anime, and in this video I'm going to show you a very easy anime drawing. Look at these, and in this video you can see the tutorial of this drawing, and if you want to draw this drawing in a very easy steps, so please watch this full video. So I'm going to start this.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude.